Welcome all to Circular Motion Class 5, in which we will discuss about uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. In the first part, let us discuss about uniform circular motion. So uniform circular motion means if an object is moving through the circumference of a circle with a constant speed, then it is known as nothing but uniform circular motion. So remember important things related to uniform circular motion. First point is, in uniform circular motion, velocity is not equal to a constant, because let's say at this instant the direction of velocity is something like this, and when it is coming over here, even though the magnitude is same, but the direction of velocity is going to change. So as the direction of velocity is different at different instant, we can't say that velocity is constant, or we can say that the direction of velocity is changing. Second point, we can say that the magnitude of velocity is nothing but speed. So in uniform circular motion, this speed or magnitude of velocity is a constant. Now if we are talking about the acceleration, as we know that there are two types of acceleration. One is normal acceleration, responsible for change in direction, and a tangential acceleration, responsible for change in magnitude. As in uniform circular motion, the magnitude of velocity is not changing, so we can say that this tangential acceleration is 0. But if you are talking about the normal acceleration, over here this normal acceleration is not equal to 0, as the direction of velocity is changing. It is having some normal acceleration or centripetal acceleration. Now if you are talking about the normal acceleration magnitude, that is a constant, but direction is not a constant, so we can't say that this normal acceleration is a constant, because at this instant when the particle is over here, direction of acceleration is toward the center, so it will be something like this. When the particle is over here, again direction of acceleration is towards the center. When the particle is over here, direction of acceleration is towards the center. So all these accelerations are not in same direction, so we can say that the acceleration, the normal acceleration, is not equal to a constant. Now if you are talking about the net acceleration is equal to the magnitude of, or is equal to the sum of normal acceleration plus tangential acceleration. As the value of this tangential acceleration is equal to 0, we can write the value of net acceleration is equal to nothing but normal acceleration, which we call it as nothing but centripetal acceleration. Now if you are talking about the magnitude of this normal acceleration, so magnitude of normal acceleration is a constant, and we can find out by using that equation v square divided by r, or r omega square, or v omega, and which is going to be equal to a constant. Now if you are talking about the angular components, the angular velocity is equal to a constant in case of uniform circular motion, because it is covering equal angle in equal intervals of time. Now if you are talking about its angular acceleration, as angular velocity is a constant, angular acceleration alpha is equal to 0. So remember these basic things related to uniform circular motion.